In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid bill rejection on Deferit. If you've ever had a bill declined, it's usually because something small was missing or unclear. Let's walk through exactly how to submit a bill the right way so it's approved quickly and without back and forth. Start by confirming the bill is eligible. Deferit accepts certain types of bills and has rules about what can be paid and when. Before you upload, quickly check the eligibility guidelines in the app or help center and make sure the bill is current, payable, and issued to you. If anything looks unusual or the bill has already been paid elsewhere, hold off and verify first. Next, check the file format and quality. Use a clear PDF or a high-resolution image. Avoid blurry photos, screenshots that crop out details, or files with glare and shadows. If you're taking a photo, place the bill on a flat, well-lit surface and keep the camera steady. Make sure the entire document is readable, with text that's sharp when you zoom in. Upload the full bill page rather than a snippet. The submission should show your name, the biller's name, the bill or account number, the amount due, the due date, and the payment details printed on the bill. If it's a multi-page bill, include the pages that contain these essentials. Don't trim off edges or headers. Reviewers need the complete picture to approve it. Enter the biller details exactly as they appear on the document. Copy the biller name, account, or reference numbers and any payment codes precisely. Double check every digit. A single typo can cause a mismatch and trigger rejection. If copy and paste is available from a PDF, use it to reduce errors. Avoid submitting the same bill more than once. Duplicate uploads can stall the process or cause confusion. If you made a mistake, cancel or edit the existing submission rather than creating a new one. And if you end up paying the bill directly outside Deferit, don't submit it afterward. Before you tap submit, take a final minute to review. Confirm the amount, the due date, and that your personal details match what's on the bill. Ensure the file is clear, upright, and complete. If there's anything unusual, like a partial payment or a corrected invoice, include a brief note in the appropriate field to help the review team understand. Once submitted, wait for confirmation. Keep notifications on and check your email or app inbox for updates. Processing times can vary, especially around due dates, so submit early when possible. If the team asks for more information, respond promptly to keep things moving. Follow these steps, and your bills should glide through approval with ease.